Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jaws orca boat. If I sound funny, I got my retainers in, so it's quite hard to speak at the minute. But here's all the bits you'll need. I took my boat apart to do this, so yeah, let's get started. That's basically the middle bit done. Bit from the right down. I'll just show you how my Jaws on painting is coming. It's getting better. I'm painting right now. It's looking scary. If you have a Lego tyre, put a bit of blue flash on the back. Use your 2x2 squares to build a little wall there, making a doorway like that. Next bit you'll need is this bit, it just goes like that. Put that bit there. And put a wheel on the seat. Get a radio. Put some blue tack on the back, and that goes more like that. But you don't have to have that. I put 2 squares here and a little flat bit with a holder there. I put the little black bit here, and I put the gun on the side on the little holder. I put a little circle bit there for when the sheaf was like throwing in the stuff. Put that back there. Throwing in the chum. And there's a little light which I got from Pirates of the Caribbean. So you can't fit 3 on, don't bother, but if you can take that off, put them in and then put it back on, that's what I have to do. cut the bit on the end, and then next bit you'll need those. So after this now, because you can't see them very well, put them like that, and then the other one like that. That's the boat basically. Now you're ready to go hunt a shark. Not before you build the boat, get a little telescope thing and put on the end there. But now you have your people so you can go. You have Quint, Hooper, and Chief Brody. Little binoculars.